Hey, what's going on, everybody? Back here with another live stream. We're going to kind of give people a few minutes and we're going to start getting into some things. So just bear with me. I'm actually going to share this live as well on a couple different platforms and we can go from there. I'm actually going to throw in some music. Hopefully it's not too loud. Ryan, just give me a couple minutes. I'm going to share this to some other platforms. Hey, what's going on? Flintstone, good to see you. New. Just give me a couple minutes. We're going to share this to a couple platforms and we'll get this thing kicked off. I think we're good to go. Yeah, brother. Yep, just sharing the link, getting some things taken care of, and it looks like we're good to go. So here we are. So yeah, let's take a look at Bitcoin because obviously I'm going to turn this down just a little bit. Bitcoin is obviously more important because the rest of the market tends to follow Bitcoin 90% of the time. So let's see what we got going on. We'll zoom in a little bit so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about here. Bitcoin chart. As you can see, we're just kind of stuck right here. We're building some support, which I do like to see that, right? But if you look left here, we got some resistance. It just keeps butting up against this resistance. Really just getting stopped. So eventually it is going to break, but just being patient. We could also see some downside too. If 16.4 breaks, it's that's not a good thing. Then we can start looking for some downside. Yep. Oh. But yeah, so I right now just kind of hanging patient, just being patient because we totally could drop. We could actually spike though too, but right now we're just stuck in this range, just building support, which I do like to build some support, but I don't want to hang out here too much longer, or else I think we're going to see some decent downside. This right here, 15,492. See more downside than that if we break this. But first level, before we can talk about anything else, 16,400. And if it does do that, well, we're potentially looking right around this 13.7 range, right in here. Here we go. Right here. Also have a fib right here. So, yeah, being patient, guys. Hanging tight. Thanks for stopping over, Flintstone. Much appreciated, brother. And also we got some other things going on. Let's look at Ethereum. Ethereum. Boom. First thing I see on this chart is this, which honestly we're gonna be running out of room soon if this doesn't do anything. See here, bam. Yeah, we're gonna be running out of room at some point. So could this break to the downside? Yeah. Gotta break 1,050 first. Once we break that 1,050, we could be free to run to this 650, which was my first original target, kind of just looking based on charts, but you know, because it is the 50 fib too. 50 fib is very powerful. It's very powerful. So, hey PCP, good to see you. Good to see you. Thanks for hopping in. Much appreciated. Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. You know, I do like doing this. It's pretty cool because a lot of people don't know about technical analysis, but it's always nice to see others interested and potentially wanting to learn. So it's pretty good. Also, want to know if you guys can hear me very clear. Loud enough. I did position my mic in a different area. And I just want to make sure it's real good audio. There we go. There, perfect. Good, 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 good. And the music's not too loud? Also right here, posted in the Telegram group a week or so ago. Just showing that Luxo is actually in this channel here. It's respecting the channel quite nicely as of right now. As you can see, we are starting to head to the upper range of this. See what happens. You can always come back down and get another bounce down here. Ride back up. This would be a target 1, target 2 for the relief of Luxo. But let's see what happens. You know, right now it's respecting this channel though, so that definitely says something to me for sure. You guys have any requests that you want me to look at? Yeah, you know, I don't know why the chat has a little delay, but I don't know. Still haven't really figured that out. It's kind of weird. It's very weird. Not much I can do about it, though, unfortunately. You guys have any requests? Just put them down below. Well, yeah, let's look at well. Yeah, right now just kind of chilling. Coming right back down here. Right after it made that move. Straight to the 786. If you were in the Telegram, you guys seen that, so pretty crazy. Pretty interesting. Geez, 3 minutes. Wow. Yeah, we can look at VAI. 1000%. 1000%. Everybody new coming in, thanks for joining us this evening. Much appreciated. We're just kind of doing a little market overwatch, taking some live requests, and really just having fun, you know. My approach to this bear market is very relaxed compared to my last bear market. So I'm pretty calm. I'm not rushing, I'm being patient. Been really good. Been really good. I'm very proud of my discipline so far. So, because some of these prices, I mean, they're just so low that it's hard not to buy some of these. But I'm staying disciplined. Staying disciplined. I did want to show this too. I did post Songbird in the Telegram chat. This thing absolutely exploded. Kind of seen this thing coming. Obviously, that's why I posted it in Telegram. Told people to watch out for it. But right here, as you can see, it came right up here. Tried to break the resistance. It couldn't hold it. And right now, it's trying to build a little support. You know, this is a daily chart too, so let's look at the MAs. See what the MAs look like right now. Yeah. See, guys, this is why I always preach this kind of stuff. Smack the 200. Got stopped at the 200. Cool thing is, you are getting across the 8 and the 100, which does cause price action to the upside. But currently, right now, the price is actually outside of the Bollinger Bands. Again, remember, if you remember on a couple live streams ago, we were talking about when the MAs get nice and flat like this too. This is a perfect textbook example of when these MAs get flat, these things start trying to explode. So, yep. Now you're getting all these lower time frame moving averages crossing up through the higher time frames. It obviously is equating the price action to the upside. So, but currently price is outside of the Bollinger Bands. So what does that mean? The price does have to come back at some point. I would really like to see this check the 8 here. It can just hang though. So let's see. Let's see what happens over the next few days. That's kind of what I'm looking for. So, yeah, way overbought too. At currently on the daily chart at least. Let's look at the weekly. The weekly, I'm probably sure looks pretty good. Smacked the 21 and got rejected. Not really a good thing, but that's okay. One candle at a time. One candle at a time. But the reason why actually I was talking about this one because they have pretty good staking rewards. And obviously from the current low you can see I did measure, could see a token price of $7.26. It was right whenever I was talking about it in the Telegram there. It's about $1,000 per 100,000 coins. Not a bad ROI, $1,000 to, you know, potentially if you sold at the very tops, you know, $726,000. It's not a bad ROI. It's pretty good. Let's look at the comments. I haven't looked at them here in a minute. The future is definitely golden, 1,000%. Don't really know. Don't really know about Friday. I mean, I'm just kind of taking it day by day. We do have another weekly close coming. Also, you know, we do have some other events coming in the next couple of days. So, again, that's why I'm literally just hanging tight and being patient. But we could totally see some news that, you know, where they're trying to FUD and stuff like that. And, you know, whatever. It's always definitely a potential. But I do look for Songbird to come back down. But that's just my personal opinion. Let's see. Oh yeah, wanted to look at VAI. VAI. It's done exceptionally well in the, this bear market compared to a lot of things, right? And the cool thing is about VAI is, potentially we could say this could be a front runner, right? And we could expect this on other assets, but we just have to be patient and wait. But VAI has been very great, very great. As you can see, I did have it. I was watching this pretty hard here. Fortunately, I did not buy any. I was going to, but I was just, busy doing a lot of stuff. Trying to build the bullish as fuck stuff too. I have a lot of other endeavors that we're doing as well. So again, I'm just taking a very relaxed approach. I'm not really in any rush. Making a lot of wise choices too, though. That's for sure. This would be very interesting to see this break this 382 though. 100%. That would be very interesting. VAI could definitely be a very interesting project for this next bull market. Obviously, do your own research, right? Don't forget to hit the like button. Yeah, don't forget to hit that like button, guys. Don't be stingy. If you're here, yeah, for sure. I'm really glad that let me read some comments here. Maybe some HUD news. What about RSR? Yeah, I'll look at RSR, no problem. Down targets at the moment. Yeah, we'll definitely check it out. Flintstone, 100%. Sound Buzz, I missed the VAI. I know, right? Yeah, that was the move right there. That was definitely the move. Same with a couple other ones too. I called ENQ too. ENQ was another wild one. That's done exceptionally well. It's finally starting to break down now, so pretty cool. But yeah, it's pretty much pulled a VAI as well. We'll pull up RSR here in a second, but first I'll show you guys ENQ so you can see what I'm talking about here. So yeah, ENQ right here, double bottom, had bull divergence, and yeah, this thing ripped pretty good. I was like, yeah, this thing's looking awesome. And again, guys, look, boom, relief. Now broke down, trying to get another bounce, and just having a hard time. So that's good though, because that means we should see probably a lower price target right around here at some point, but just gotta hang tight and be patient, Yeah, right? You can only push it. I know, yeah, you can only push it one time. Yeah, guys, so please, if you're watching, hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to the channel. Updates. We do have another challenge we're going to be talking about here later on the show. I'm only going to be on here for roughly about an hour. And again, if you guys want to get involved with the community more, just join the Telegram chat in the description. And we're always in there having like community meetings, things like that. Always sharing a bunch of charts, talking about cool things that, we find, etc., etc. So yeah, it's always a good time over there for sure. And then also we got the Bullish as Fuck or Bullish AF podcast that we do once a week with Jeff and I. It's always fun too. I believe the link for that is also in the description. So if you guys haven't checked out any of the podcasts, please feel free to do so. All we ask is if you did enjoy the show, just share with a friend. Share it with somebody. You know, the best advertisement is word of mouth. So, yeah, we're going to move on to RSR. Check this out. Yeah, you see it's kind of trying to bounce a little bit, but again, this is the weekly too. Let's go down to the daily. Yeah, see, look, hitting this resistance, it's having a hell of a time trying to break through. So this could totally get rejected here, as it has been at the 21, and just roll over and finally hit some of these targets here. But right now, I'm just being patient. Again, though, if you're buying, I would never criticize anybody for buying right now, because we are so much closer to the bottom than we are the top, and you know it's kind of your call. You know, it's your money. You guys have to be accountable for it and do what you want. So I'm just here documenting our journey here and trying to help you guys reach your goals with cryptocurrency, I guess. So we're having a lot of fun doing it too while we're at it. Pirate Chain, again, still being very, very patient. Again, guys, not in a rush. Yeah, look, it did this. I mean, let's see. Momentum's going up. Yeah, RSI is actually above 50 now on the daily. We're getting a MACD cross. But we're still below the zero line on Instagram for the MACD. Honestly, it's not a bad buy. But I'm not convinced yet. Bitcoin could sneeze and this thing could totally roll over. And we could definitely see much better prices. I was looking for some other targets to the downside. I know they will get hit. Whether it's right now or, you know, closer to this time next year, maybe the end of this year, roughly. We'll be looking for like a last capitulation phase for that, as always. Yeah, there you go. Be patient and DCA as fuck. Yeah, hey, go for it. You know, I'm not against DCA whatsoever. Not at all. In fact, there are some things I have bought, but just, you know, just being patient on some other stuff. BNB, guys, this thing is going to be a good short here before too long, in my opinion. So we still got a lot of asset, or not a lot, just a few big market cap assets that have to come down. I mean, let's look at this from a weekly perspective here. Oh, this is a horrible chart to even look at, actually. And it's something totally different. Here we go. So, look. It's floating in outer space. It can't last forever, guys. Can't last forever, so I'll be looking my first DCA box right here, about $50 to $38. That's my first DCA window. And I won't buy a penny of BNB until that gets hit. So, but the cool thing is a lot of people get like super depressed when these prices come down. But like, here's the fact of the matter. I'll show you guys something. This is what's nice about lower prices. Okay. So let's just say this was the bottom for BNB, right? Which it's not, but let's just say this hypothetically. Well, let's pull a fib extension on, you know, what would the next top be for BNB, right? $1,600. ROI on that is nothing. Yeah, you'd be looking from here. You would be looking at like 500%. That's nothing. Absolutely garbage in my opinion. So you could catch that on a you know, maybe a few week trade, you know, you know what you're doing. So, but let's pull the extension down to where these key levels are. So $50. Okay, cool. Now you're looking at a $3,500 BNB. Okay, that's not so bad, but still, I don't know. I don't know. I don't even know if I would buy that. Right here, $38. Okay, cool. Now we're talking a little more, right? $42.69. All right. My bottom DCA mark. And look, guys, in between here and here, there's literally no support too. So at $38.20, you actually have a little bit of support, right? But then you have more support right here, a lot. And I could totally see this area holding at about $17.30. I don't see it really bending from there. So yeah, to buy now, I would just much rather be patient. But yeah, so if you were to buy a $17 BNB, now you're talking about a lot better ROI. We can measure that too. So your ROI is now 38,190%. Okay, now we're kind of getting into those normal ranges for cryptocurrency, right? Obviously, that's even on the lower end, but it is a big market cap, so what can you really expect? Not like we're going to go to $100,000 BNB in one market cycle. It's just not going to happen. But let's look at the comments here. It's going to hurt a lot of people, yeah. Dustin Dio, my brother, good to see you. Good to see you. Quick J86. Yeah, we'll look at Quant. No problem, no problem. Thanks for stopping in. I see you're new too, so make sure you guys are hitting those like and subscribe buttons. Hit that bell on the notifications to be alerted whenever I have a new video. Listen, man, the future price, you have to think. So, Pirate Chain has a lower supply, right? And I know I shared the video in the Telegram with you guys like a few weeks back on what they really want to do. Pirate Chain's amazing, in my opinion. It's definitely my #1 privacy pick, you know, and I'm not gonna budge from that 100%. So okay, what is up? Good to see you. Good to see you. But yeah, I'm definitely just, me personally, just for ROI purposes, I wouldn't buy any BNB until we had $17. $256, it doesn't, it's not entertaining for me. It's just not. So $17 BNB, sure, I'll buy it there. And guess what? Not only do my charts reflect that, but so does the support on the charts too. You look left, you got a lot more support here than you do up here at $37. Now don't get me wrong, $37 really isn't bad, but guess what? You could buy 2 BNB down here for the price of here. Just saying. Maybe save up some money, set some buy orders for $17, $18, maybe even $20, right? Just to make sure that your buy orders actually get filled. Just save your money, be patient. We got a whole nother 12 months of this. In between that time, we should get a nice relief. But just remember, it's going to come back. It's a bear market. The prices will always come back. And Dio, I will call you. It's been a crazy day. Had all kinds of stuff going on. I'm trying to make sure that I stay a little more on top of these live streams. At least want to do one a week, maybe a video. Yeah, whatever. So, but yeah, I'm going to give you a ring, brother. It's been a crazy, wild day. So, what was the other one that we wanted to look? What was the other one? Oh, yeah, Quant. Kind of funny because I don't even think I've looked up this asset, so I'm kind of curious. $21. Or maybe I did. Maybe that's just when I got on KuCoin. I guess we're gonna have to go to CoinTrader Pro. Let's do it. CoinTrader Pro always has typically the most data. That's why I like it. Coin market cap, perfect. Yeah, I was thinking there's a lot more data. So, August 18, perfect. COVID dip, right here, perfect. All right, awesome. Let's pull a retrace on this bad boy. Yeah, Quant's only at the 236. Quant's gonna get smashed, to be honest. I do see all the XRP people raving about it, so that's pretty interesting. Not right here. A little more support here, but it'll break eventually. Again, we got a whole another 12 months downside action. You gotta think. I know. If I'm not mistaken, I think I've heard the supply is relatively low for this guy, but there's other coins out there that are just as solid as projects that literally are right down in these price ranges right here. So again, don't shoot the messenger, but let's read the comments. Thoughts on Ocean EX? Yeah, we'll look it up, brother. What about Glimmer and AGIX? Yeah. I actually really like both those assets as well. Glimmer, AGIX. Yeah, I do like those. 100%. And we'll look up Ocean EX too, which actually we're already on CoinTrader Pro, so that's perfect. Ocean EX, I was pretty, I did like it a lot. In fact, I had a bunch of it at one point. Yeah, so let's just pull from the COVID up here. Okay, we already broke the one line, so we know more than likely we're headed into the 1272. So if you're a little bit more, if you have a little more patience, you definitely see this thing get cheaper for sure. Hope that helps a lot. You can buy a lot of it then. Yeah, I actually used to be one of the top 10 holders of this thing. Top 100. I'm sorry, top 100. But I don't have any currently right now. I actually made a nice chunk of change with this asset. Right around the same time as VeChain and Safe Haven too. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty nice runs for what we got them for. Yeah, man. Listen, I understand. I completely understand what you're saying about like having a lot of connections. It's fundamentally sound, but it's just charts. It's the rest is. It's good because I invest in fundamentally sound projects, right? But look, I mean, there's so many fundamentally sound projects that retrace. It's just the nature of the beast, you know. Not only that, but I would prefer them to retrace just for the simple fact that the price is going to go higher, right? So, I mean, there's a lot of projects that have super that are very fundamentally sound, but look at Tesla. Tesla's hit my target. Tesla's hit my target. Tesla's fundamentally sound, right? Look at shit. Past the 6.8, past the 50. This shit got moved around. Huh. That's not even correct. Hold on. I don't know why this got moved around. I don't know. Yeah, right now we're right on top of the 618. Boom, right here. Hit my target, especially within, error margin. Sure, it wicked down just a tiny bit, but this thing's going to hit the 786. 55 bucks eventually. You got some support here if you look left, which is good, but that's nothing. You have more support here. And then there's a whole bunch of support right here at the one line. Obviously at these stages, you have to take it level by level. But this is just literally an example of a fundamentally sound project that is retracing, And people will be like, oh, well, yeah, but, this and the other. But, I could go back to Doge. We could look right on the day. You got a sell signal when Elon Musk went on Saturday Night Live. We got a sell signal of the day. These people know what they're doing. It's. But if you know the charts and you know how to work them and everything else, that's when the game changes. That's when the game changes. So I hope that helps, man. I really do. I hope it helps. But yeah, we're going to get on to Glimmer and AGIX. 12 people. Awesome. Glad to see y'all. Thanks for coming to hang out. We appreciate you. And stick around. Hopefully y'all can make a fuck ton of money. Because that's what we're all here to do at the end of the day. Yeah, Glimmer, this is an asset that I'm actually just waiting, being safe. I really want to accumulate a nice amount of this, just like Pirate Chain. This is actually one I will be holding for the long term. For the market cycle, right? But yeah, so I'm looking to accumulate here. I definitely think this price target right here is very achievable. Without a doubt. But again, we just have to be patient, right? Just got to be patient. This is a weekly chart too. Let's go to the daily. Yeah, daily you'll be able to see. We're just in this, descending wedge. But yeah, so yeah, looking for first target 25 cents. Let's see. If this gets hit, this would be absolutely amazing, but I don't know. We might not see that till like next year. So I might not see that till next year. Yeah. If AGI actually comes down to some of my targets, I definitely want to buy some more of that because last bear market, again, I was huge on this asset as well. This doesn't have all the data. Let's go over here to CoinTrader Pro. In fact, I think I still have some AGIX, like just a few, in like a Coinbase wallet or something. But Singularity Net, want to do Coin Market Cap. Yeah, here we go. Much more data. Sitting on a lot of support right here, right? We got a nice amount of support, which is nice. Is it even? Oh, this is the old chart. Why did it do that? I guess Uniswap's the best chart we're gonna get for this thing. But hey, it's right back down here, right where launch was. Pretty damn close, right? So let's wait. No. Actually, no. This must just be whenever it was added there, because that timeline does not make sense either. Let's look. Buck 44. Okay, cool. You know what? Let's just take it level by level. We'll do this. We'll pull a fib retrace here. Obviously, this won't be long term. This is just literally from now. Yeah, so pulled it from the bottom at July 22. Had a nice little relief. Boom. Okay, awesome. Right now, we're in between the 618 and the 786. See. Look at our, yeah, it's about to break north on the histogram too, so it's not really good. Again, just be patient. I think that's really the key. Still got a long time left in this bear market, or DCA. I mean, whatever. You know, DCA is cool too. If you haven't hit the like, yeah, Ray says, hey, welcome y'all. If you haven't hit the like and subscribe, please do. If you find this helpful at all. So, yeah. Thanks, guys. I really appreciate the love for sure. I appreciate everybody coming out tonight. We do have a challenge for the community that I do want to announce tonight, though. This challenge may come by surprise, may not. It's done, just depends. Again, guys, to stay up to date with everything, just get in Telegram chat. That's pretty much the easiest way to stay up to date. Yeah, no, 100%. You know, I really like artificial intelligence projects. So yeah, I do agree. I've liked AGI for quite some time. Dr. Ben Gortzel is a very, very, very smart guy. Definitely wouldn't count AGI out, for sure. I didn't even see we started to break out here. We are coming back. We never got that bullish retest of the breakout. So here we go. We're on the daily. Are we going to check this, get a bullish retest and go? Or are we just going to break down? Well, I think it could go either way, to be honest. But honestly, this is not a bad price for this asset. Especially if we go back to CoinTrader Pro, which I will here in a minute. This asset is Jasmine. The price is $350 per 100,000. So honestly, if you guys do your own research and you look into the project, I think it's something that could be very interesting. This is one of the only cryptos coming out of Japan, and they have Sony executives that are running the project, so that are founders. So that's very interesting. And what's even funnier is, as I'm talking about this right now, I see 444 on the screen. So maybe it's confirmation, maybe it's not. I don't know. Let's see. So anyways, it's up to you guys. You can participate, you cannot participate, but these are community challenges. If you're interested, it's just something that we all kind of get together on and think about, and based on fundamentals and ROI. And Jasmine has actually had a decent price in the past. So this chart does have more data. So of course I'm going to look here because having more data is always the best. Jasmine was actually hit about 480, somewhere around there before, but it's like $350 per 100K. I don't really know what happened, but that's okay. There's a lot of, honestly, I do know what happened. It got launched terrible time, just like a lot of these, like Zero Swap and a lot of other actual really fundamentally sound projects. And you know, they got launched right before or right during the beginning of the bear market, so just a terrible time, you know. But let's pull a fib retrace on this and see, just based on this data. Look, guys, Try to build some support here at the 1272. Failed. Went just a little bit lower and shot up. Let's see if it comes back, gets that bullish retest, or breaks through. You would be looking for $308. If it breaks that, I would say we're definitely going lower. Could go as low as $181 per 100K, so definitely be safe. But yeah. Yeah, we can look at inheritance. I'm cool with that. Honestly, entries, it is totally on you guys. Whatever entries y'all want to make for these challenges, it's completely up to you, but we will always cover them. You know, we'll cover them and keep everybody up to date on the price of the challenges, etc., etc., etc. Like Tell, I haven't bought my Tell back. I'll be patient. I haven't bought it back quite yet. As you can see, we ran straight up here, bounced right off the 50, you know, for the retrace. Tried to do something. Now we're getting a bearish engulfing candle for the daily, right now at least. If we close here, which we're going to close, you know, not too long from now, yeah, I would say we break this 50, we're going to come down here, you know, and if we break that, well, guess what? We're coming back down to pretty damn close to where I was already talking about the challenge to begin with, so that's pretty cool. So if you guys did take this ride, you know, you were roughly about right here. You know, it's 166%. You know, you took that nice little ride. Cool, not bad, not bad. Not even a full relief, but totally fine with that. So you took that ride, sold it near-ish in here. These are going to be obviously estimated numbers. If it did come down here, you know, you'd be almost able to, you know, like 2 extra bags almost. So that's not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. So again, guys, you know, it's completely up to you. Y'all do what you want. Yeah, no worries, no worries. Yeah, thanks for stopping by, brother. Appreciate it. Just to have, yeah, just, you know, whatever, right? Like, you don't absolutely have to, right? Like, you don't have to have 100,000 tokens because there's gonna be people out there that might not even be able to afford it, especially later on, whenever people find these challenges like a year from now, or you know, 2 years from now, they're like, oh shit, like these are not as cheap as they used to be. So yeah, it's whatever y'all want to do. But basically, the idea is, when I issued the Tell challenge, if you were to put down $100 on Tell, you'd be able to get 100,000 tokens roughly, and you know you're gonna be able to go on a badass vacation for $100, right? Who gives a shit? You just paid for a future vacation, right? It's stuff to have fun with. You know what I mean? It's really nothing, you know, nothing crazy. It's just stuff to have fun with, community building stuff. It makes it fun for everybody, right? So, I don't even know where to look up the price of IAI, if I'm being honest. Let's check it out though. Whoops. Yeah, that's what I was thinking, but I just want to double check. I don't want to. So yeah, all right. Let's see if TradingView has it. I guess right. We can try. And if coin market. Oh, okay, cool. Yeah, here we go. Uniswap. Let's go. Holy shit. Just no, man. I'm trying not to be a straight asshole, but that doesn't look so hot. But obviously, I mean, obviously, they just relaunched, right? So uh, it's kind of hard to say where this thing could go with this kind of a chart. Um, but looks like it could potentially have a. Can't really. I can't really look at the price, unfortunately. So I wouldn't be able to give you guys like a. Oh, Flintstone. Oh man. Yeah, it's hard, guys. When you have limited data, it's very hard to make a call like that. You know, when you have limited data, but it's okay. It's okay. I guess I guess that's the laugh of the stream, I suppose, which is unfortunate, but that's okay. Yeah, yeah, exactly. It's 0.0695 right now. Um, but you know, I hear a lot of great things. I hear a lot of great things. Might even could potentially get Vince on the podcast, Bullish AF, in the future. Let's see what happens. Would be cool. Would be cool. Yeah, 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 yeah. Sorry, guys. I tried. I tried. But you know, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Yeah, it's extremely limited. All right, limited data, 1,000%. Yeah, man. Listen, he's a great dude. He's a great dude. Like the guy seems really cool. You guys asked, you guys. I feel like you guys set me up. I feel like you set me up when he said, "Hey, take a look at this chart. It's a daily chart. One, two, three, four, five, six. Not even a week old." Bullish Jeff, what is up, my bro? You still out there, Dio? I feel like they set me up. They told me to look at a 6 day old chart, and this is what we see. And they wanna know where this thing could go. I can't tell you. It's very limited data. Yeah, no. Whenever projects launch new contracts, the old data it goes away. Yeah, right. It was a setup. 1,000%. 1,000%. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 100%. 100%. This is too funny. Oh shit. Oh, here we go. Here we go. That you know what? I don't know if we're gonna look at that one, but maybe one day. Maybe one day. Um, let's see. What was it? Oh yeah, I did want to tell you guys. I'm also really got my eye on this guy. Um, this is something else that listen, guys. I just really I really like this project, even since from the last bear market. This one just requires a lot of patience, if I'm being honest. It really does. It requires a lot of patience. Reaching, here's my DCA box. I don't think this might not happen until next year, though. Hitting the 786. And if this were to come back down to here, what? That would be crazy. But there is a lot of support here at the 786 area, so fucking badass deal, though, in my opinion. $408 per 100K for Harmony, I think, is an excellent deal. So, yeah, I'll definitely be searching for that. Yeah, don't do it. Yeah, that's funny. That's funny. Oh man. Oh man. The hate. The hate. Whew, hate is real. Kind of funny. Hey, the cool thing is, guys, the chat box is actually working on live for once, so that's even better. So, looks like we got that ironed out, right? How the heck? Um, yeah, leave it there. We'll leave it. We'll leave it there. Mystery. It's a mystery. Dude, what'd Jeff say? Real? Nope. Carpe announcement incoming. Let's just yeah. Let's hope. Let's hope it doesn't bite us. Hope so. But yeah, so since we've been on stream, our start came down a couple dollars. Couple dollars. But yeah, no, I'm really looking at UFT really back down to 6 cents. Like, let's go. I will buy it. Please. Wait. Another, another one that I do like. But I'm really got my eye on this 39 cents. It's just a matter of time before it hits. It's nothing that, like, if I seen Orion Protocol hit 39 cents, I'll buy some, right? But it's not one that I'm like, oh, I really want to have some of these, right? So I'm not, if I get some, sweet. If I don't, that's cool too. I'm totally fine. Because guess what, guys? We can't have them all. We just can't have them all. We just can't. I mean, you could if you bought one of everything, right? But that's what. That's a good one. That's a good one. PCP. That's funny. That's funny. B86. All right, the chat looks like it's getting a little warmed up. Getting a little warmed up. But yeah. Yeah. What they want to talk about and being advertised in the European soccer leagues? Question mark? No. Yeah, it sounds like we got some hostile people. Hostile. Maybe, or maybe they're joking. I don't know. But I don't really know, guys. Fortunately, Jeff definitely likes it though. And Jeff has actually just became a core team member today. So, go Jeff. Let's see if Jeff can turn this motherfucker around. Can he do it? Yeah, the original team is gone, right? So, just like a lot of people that do B2s and things like that and whatever. So, hey guys, you never know, right? Could be watch. It'll be like It'll be like the #1 meme coin of next bull run now. That'd be crazy shit, actually. That'd be pretty wild. But, well, Jeff, I still hold 15. Oh, nice. You got 15 NFTs. All right. Well, guys, I think I might get off here in a few. Do you guys have any last requests? Because I really want to go hang out and get the fuck up out of this house and do some shit and actually do something with my life other than crypto and making cool shit happen. I just need a break. Please let me know any last minute requests. Give it about 5 more minutes and we are getting booked out. Further. So guys, 786-886. Already hit the 1 line, so go down. You gotta be patient. Let's take a little more time on Bitcoin now. Break down Bitcoin a little bit better. Obviously, we got bull divergence, right? On the weekly, it's been a thing for a hot minute. Stocks on the RSI actually is looking to try to turn back up, so that's kind of interesting. I did notice, like this morning, we got a cross down through, and I was like, ooh, I don't know. If this can hold and break the signal line again, that'd be good. That'd be good. But remember, guys, when Bitcoin goes, it's going to drag the alts with it to the upside. So, well, either way, really. So, you know, obviously we do have bull divergence on a lot of altcoin charts too. So just, you know, hey, do whatever y'all think is appropriate. That's what I suggest. I'm just literally here, you know, watching the charts and giving some suggestions, maybe. Maybe not. It's up to y'all. Yeah, absolutely, absolutely. Much love to my brother Jeff. Yeah, absolutely. Quick. Yeah. Zilliqa, let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at it. And please, guys, before we get out of here, go smash the like button. And you know, if you found this stream at any value at all, share with a friend or a family member, right? Trying to grow the community, trying to get this thing out here. I think it'd be pretty cool. So, and Polkadot, yeah, I got you. Let's look up at Zill. Old Zill. Zill's nice because Zill typically is one of those front runners too. So, Zill, it's, you know, kind of trying to hang on to some last support here before we go to some next support zones. But we have a lot more support here now that we broke this support right here at the 50. But we got a last little bit of support here. If this breaks, it's not going to look pretty because we will be going lower. Might get a stop here first at a penny. Maybe try to ride up, get rejected, come down. But ultimately, you know, maybe 0.006 for the long term, you know. Maybe get a nice entry there. Or just DCA all the way down, whatever you all prefer. You know, it's... You guys have to make your own choices and decisions, and whatever you think is best for you. That's just the way it is. I'm just here, literally, just documenting the journey, really, for myself, bullish as fuck, and, you know, for anybody else out there in the community that really, you know, sees the value, right? So, it's always a good time. Yeah, hacking, I'm fucking totally down with 1000%. I like happy too, but like again, guys, we can't have them all. If I had them all, fuck, my bags would be so tiny, so tiny. So let's look up Dot real fast though. Yeah, look, oh, almost dragged my fib along with it. But yeah, actually this. Yep. There we go. That's better. So Dot, yeah, 786. Look, guys, you know, I don't just make this shit up out of nowhere. 786 though. See it? It's right, just right above it. You know, kind of chilling. Obviously, you see you have a little bit more support here. It's not a ton of support, but it is strong support. So I would totally love to see this hold. If it doesn't, though, you know, we can totally explore 886, maybe even the one line, you know, eventually. But as of right now, no. Yeah, we got to go do Coin Trader Pro for this. Boom. It's on top of nice support, but I do expect it to break. Again, let's see. Well, I'm curious because I don't know what these lines, and if they were like 786, 886 lines, but let's take a peek. All it takes is a couple seconds to rip the fib, so I will look at that. Okay, so 786 is right here at about 0.00777. That's like a good buy. Dude. Hacking, I like the ROI for hacking. I do. ROI, I love it. Let's just say it does hit that 786, right? Let's just say it does. Yeah, so if it hits 786, we're looking about almost a $6 token. That's pretty good. Pretty solid. Pretty solid. I'm cool with that. Man, let's look at Happy. I know a lot of people love Happy. I know this gap. My goodness. Yeah, no, that's not even the right token. No. Oh, wonder why it didn't pop up. I don't know. That'll be another one we'll look at next time, though. But we got the hacking, though, for sure. So, hacking 0.0777. Let's see. It's a lucky number, too, so that's awesome. Let's find out. But don't forget, guys, Jasmine is the challenge, the brand new challenge, along with Telcoin. So, 100,000 Telcoin challenge and 100,000 Jasmine challenge. Participate, don't participate. It's all good. Just an idea, maybe a way to get a, you know, buy a cool car for real cheap, or take the family on a badass vacation for, you know, a few $100s, whatever, you know. Just something to have fun with. That's all. So, hope you all have a good night. Thanks for hanging out once again. And, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. And again, don't forget to like, comment, or like and subscribe. Just share with a friend or a family member. And hopefully we can grow these streams over this next 12 months. I'm hoping to hit at least minimum of 5 to 10,000 subscribers by the end of next December. So help me get there. Guys, stay awesome. See you